Hey everybody, welcome. We're going to solve an equation from the Solving Logarithmic Equations Quadratic section. And this is one of them right here. And you can see your first step, this thing's going to become a quadratic because when that thing is raised to the 2, we know it's being squared. And the argument's already a quadratic expression. So let's get down to this thing and see what we can do with it. Let me write it down. I should have already done this, but we got log negative 2x minus 8. Kind of a strange base, right? And we got 2x squared plus 6x minus 20. And that's equal to 2. All right, like I said, the first step here is converting to an exponential, which means you're going to have negative 2x minus 8 to the 2, and that's 2x squared plus 6x minus 20. All right, so when you multiply this out, you're going to really, might help us to rewrite it like this, and that's still equal to 2x squared plus 6x minus 20. All right, so let's do this multiplication. We get 4x squared minus 16x minus 16x is plus 32x, I think, here. And finally, plus 64. And that's equal to 2x squared plus 6x. Oh, that's a minus 20. You don't want to make a mistake. This thing won't work. All right, now I'm going to move everything to this left-hand side because it'll keep me positive. And I'm going to get 2x squared. And get 26x, and I'm going to add this over and we get plus 84 because that's a negative 20. I almost fell for that where I goofed it up. Got to be careful, that kind of stuff. Now everybody here is divisible by 2. So I'm going to take advantage of that and reduce this so I can have an a of 1, which often makes it much easier to factor. And now I've got something that, yes, indeed, will be able to be factored. See, I got to multiply to 42 and add to 13, and I know that that's 6 and 7. So you get x plus 6 times x plus 7 is 0. And that brings us to our solutions. Oh, come on. There, somehow I'm getting delay on the camera here. So I got x is negative 7. And negative 6. Okay. You don't want to miss my last video. I'm going to do one more where I solve a natural log equation. But the last video, I'm going to show you how to do these things with Desmos for those of you that want to just get stuff done. Now, you're going to have issues with exact answers. That it won't do. But if you an approximation's okay. And so far they have been because we've had mostly we've had all rational answers, so it would have worked. But anyway, I'll show you those in the last video. And I'll see you in a little bit.